If you've had your Philips Series 7000 razor for a couple of years, you might need to replace the heads. If the symbol is lit up here, it looks like this symbol here, then it's letting you know to replace the heads when you turn it off. It's nice and easy to replace the heads. You can buy them various places online. You need to take this bit off here, and you need to do these orange things counterclockwise, just a tiny little bit. So just turn it just like that, and that will allow me to take out that section there, and it will allow me to gently take out the head here. Then when you get your replacement heads, you do the same on each one. And then when you get your replacement heads, you just pop them back in, and basically there's a little notch on the heads here. So there's a little notch here and here. Let me zoom in. Just here and here. They need to line up with the notches on here and here. So you can see them there. So line them up like so, and it fits into place. And then you get this lock here. And what you need to do is line up the notches here and here with the notches here and here. So they go like so. And then we need to go the opposite way of the arrows because we're locking it in place. That locks it in. And again, when you get your replacement one here, they will come in packs of 3. You can see the notch here and here. So just place it in like that. And it sits in nicely. Again, put this in here. If you get it wrong, you won't be able to put it in. It won't lie flat. But when you put it round, it will lie nice and flat. And then clockwise a tiny bit, so they're now locked into place. So once you've done all 3, you can just clip this back onto here. It doesn't matter which way around it goes. And after you've replaced all the blades up here, then you need to reset the reminder. Otherwise it's going to keep reminding you to change the blades because this doesn't know that they've been changed. All we have to do is hold down the power button for 7 seconds. First of all, you will see the travel lock come up, then you will see the reminder come up. Keep holding it until it flashes and then goes out. That means the reminder's been reset. So watch this now. Although it hasn't lit up on this one, I can still do the process here. So I'm going to hold it down now. I've still got it held down. That's the travel lock. Still holding it down. Now it will come up with the reminder. Keep holding it. It will flash. Then it will go out. Now I can let go. And that's it. And now every time you use it and you turn it off, you won't be reminded to change the heads until they need changing again, approximately 2 years later. Thanks for watching.